एंड उसे साइज छोटी करते हैं, उसे कहते हैं एडिटिंग।
Okay, so Vineet is talking about photo editing. But what does it mean when you have to edit something you have written? कुछ अगर आपने लिखा है उसको edit करने का क्या मतलब होता है? Yes, सौरभ.
एडिट का मतलब मैम किसी चीज को किसी के अंदर ऐड करना।
Okay, add it नहीं, it's edit. Let me type it on the chat. EDIT, edit. So edit means हम अगर कुछ लिखते हैं तो उसके अंदर से आपको कुछ हटाना है या तो कुछ और एक्स्ट्रा ऐड करना है या तो कोई स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हुई है उसको आपको करेक्ट करना है। ऑल ऑफ दैट ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक है उसको अगर आपको करेक्ट करना है, दैट ऑल ऑफ दैट इज कॉल्ड एडिटिंग। ओके, एडिट करना उसको और अच्छे से लिखना, जो भी गलतियां हुई है उसे सुधारना और अलग अलग चीजें ऐड करना जो आपको ऐड करना है। All of that together is called editing.
So a very, very good morning to all of you.
Yes, good afternoon, Gajendra. Good afternoon, all of you present here
Good
today.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Nafiza.
Good afternoon, Didi.
Start with our class.
Good
I'll just
afternoon,
be back.
Didi.
1 minute.
Okay, Prisha, unmute yourself. Prisha, beta, unmute yourself. Okay, what are the Zoom norms? Quickly tell everyone. What happened? Why are you making this sad face? What happened, Prisha?
Okay. So I'll share my screen.
Okay, Samit will share and then Prisha, you can tell me. Okay, what happened? Don't make the sad face. Samit, unmute yourself.
Quickly, I want someone to raise their hand and tell me which characters do we have in our story. We were writing a story and we had decided on some characters. I want you all to tell me which characters had we decided at the end.
Ma'am.
Yes, Saurabh. You didn't raise your hand, Saurabh.
Please make sure कि आप लोगों का
So I will ask Gajendra who raised his hand.
Didi gets really disturbed and the class, entire class gets disturbed.
Yes, Gajendra, tell me.
गलती से हो जाता है।
दीदी कौन सा स्टोरी बोल रहे हो?
The story that we were making on online class, in online class, not the offline class.
दीदी एलियन, टाइगर, लायन एंड मंकी।
Alien, tiger,
thumbs up.
lion,
Come on, children. Samir,
monkey.
Chirag, Prisha.
Anything else that was there in the story apart from the 4 of them?
Okay, lovely.
मगरमच्छ।
Beyond, I want to see the
No.
lovely, lovely faces. Come on.
One more was there. Yes, Ankita.
हंटर। दीदी कैट, डॉग।
Gauri, raise your hand if you want to answer.
My
Yes, Ankita, tell.
Cat, dog and hunter.
Okay. Okay, listen. Yes. So we had removed cat and dog and we had kept Aniket, what had yes,
आपका नाम आर्य
we had
और
kept
Mr.
hunter.
आर्य लिखे फिर।
Okay.
Okay.
So there was alien, tiger, monkey and hunter.
Okay, very good.
Now quickly you all will tell me what names you want to give to these characters. These characters have to have some names in the story, right? So what names will you give them? Alien का क्या नाम होगा? You will only unmute when I say your name. Okay? Without me telling your name, you will not unmute. Quickly think of a name for the alien in the story. Yes, Saurabh, tell me.
मैम
Arey, if you didn't think, then how did you raise your hand, Baba? Okay.
मैम
Yes, Saurabh.
मैम उस जिस दिन आपने वो स्टोरी नहीं बनाई थी उस दिन मैं नहीं था।
Okay, no problem. You can see all the videos that we have recorded of YouTube. Yes, Harsh, tell me.
आप पापा से बात कर लीजिएगा। Okay, Papa,
दीदी जादू
फोन करिए,
जादू ही रखना है नाम.
ठीक है?
Okay.
मैं आधे घंटे में आपको
ठीक है,
call
we will
करती
name him जादू.
हूँ, okay?
Fine. टाइगर का क्या नाम रखेंगे? Raise your hand if you want to name the tiger.
Children, I'm so sorry. there was a
संगम साहू. Tell me, टाइगर का क्या नाम होगा?
दीदी प्रो
क्या? Bro? Okay, bro.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Fine. Tiger's name is Bro.
thoughts that you have about your school.
All right. Now, what is the
That's why you
सिम्बा लिखा ना
नेहा थोड़ा सा धीरे बात. Yes. What will be the lion's name then?
So
Yes, Vineet.
now what you need to do, children, is you have to type in your chat box. Someone's mic is on unmute.
Yes, Vineet. Tell me.
Devansh.
Lion's name.
Devansh, please be on mute.
King. The king is not a name.
Voice is echoing because of it.
Tell me a name.
से राजा सिम्बा दीदी कहने से
You will not say, can I say? You have to raise your hand. Yes, Aniket.
Simba.
Aniket will say.
Didi really gets very
दीदी
angry.
राजा
राजा नाम थोड़ी है, कोई अच्छा नाम बोलो.
दीदी कहने से सिम्बा
कोई बच्चा
सिम्बा
Simba. Someone is saying Simba again and again.
copy.
We'll name the lion Simba. Okay, great.
यस दीदी मैंने बोला था
Okay, Arman. Simba it is.
अपने school
Monkeys. Okay, all right. A lot of you said Simba.
दीदी कहने से
You want to say monkey's name, Ansh?
what are adjectives?
यस
Tell monkey's name. Tell.
जग्गू
Jaggu. Okay,
जग्गू
great. Fine, Jaggu.
We will see the
Monkey's name is Jaggu in our story.
answers from all of you.
And hunter's name. Yes, Nafiza. Tell me hunter's name.
ब्लैक हैंटर
My school is very beautiful.
Nafiza will tell. Nafiza will tell.
The adjective beautiful. Okay.
Nafiza tell. Hunter's name.
हर्ष
Harsh. Why Harsh? Why are you targeting poor Harsh of our class? कोई अतरंगा सा नाम दे दो, कोई इंग्लिश नाम दो.
टॉमी टोनी
Tommy?
टोनी
Tommy the hunter.
टोनी
Okay, cool. Okay, name the. Okay.
टोनी बोल रहा है वो टोनी
Tony बोल रहा है? Okay, Tony is also cool.
टोनी स्टार टोनी
Tony, okay.
Describing word that I am.
ठीक है. Great. Thank you, Ansh, for correcting me. Now you will listen to me, everyone. सब सुनोगे मेरी बात.
Best.
So we have our 5 characters and their 5 names. Alien is called Jadu.
Now, can you
Tiger is Bro.
take out your note?
Lion is Simba.
Okay.
Monkey is Jaggu.
Didi,
And
you
hunter
decide
is
five
Tony.
names.
So now they have
Okay.
names also.
All of you.
Okay.
But only
Listen,
five
wait, Nafiza, wait.
Not
Okay.
more than
Now
five.
you will tell me the characteristics of the alien. जादू के क्या क्या characteristics हैं, वो कैसा दिखता है, उसका nature कैसा है, all of that you will tell me now. So first you will be on mute and you first now what you do, put your hand zoom hand नीचे. पहले सारे बच्चे zoom hand नीचे करेंगे because अब सबके zoom hand ऊपर है और मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा.
जादू ब्लू कलर का दिखता है
Pari, please mute yourself. Thank you. Now, again, I will ask, what will be the characteristics, description of Jadu? वो कैसा है, उसके बाल कैसे हैं, उसके कपड़े कैसे हैं, उसके features कैसे हैं, और how is he? Is he helpful or is he dangerous or is he good looking, bad looking? Tell me everything about the alien.
Follow the rules in a
Yes, Prathamesh, tell.
दीदी वो दिखने में बैड रहेगा लेकिन वो अच्छा रहता है
Okay,
अच्छा
he
रहेगा
looks weird. I'll say weird मतलब अजीब सा. Okay, weird means अजीब.
in blue color
Is blue in color. Okay, is blue in color. Okay, and he is helpful.
मदद करता है yes
Helpful. Okay, he is helpful.
and he is naughty he has big eyes
He has big eyes. Big eyes. Okay. Is he naughty also?
alien has blue
He is
color dress
naughty. Okay. Alien has blue
Friendly.
color dress.
friendly
Okay.
Do not say
Great.
Friendly.
He looks. What? What?
this option and please use it.
friendly
Friendly. Okay. He's friendly. Fine. Okay. So we have so many characters. Kind, helpful आ गया. So he's kind also. He looks weird, अजीब सा है. He is blue in color. He is helpful. He has big eyes. He's naughty. थोड़ा शरारती भी है. Then he's blue color. He wears blue color dress, and he is also friendly. Okay, great. Now we'll think about the tiger. Tiger. How is the tiger? What does the tiger do?
angry
Both. Tiger is always angry. Okay. What else?
I'm mad
Okay, dangerous. Khunkar is dangerous. What else?
when tiger has eyes brown
I can't hear anything of what you're saying, and all other kids are also not understanding what's happening. So, I'm going to mute all of y'all. I am going to mute all of y'all, and then you will raise your hand to answer. Okay. Now,
Have you drawn the picture?
now I want you to tell me the characteristics of tiger. ठीक है, टाइगर कैसा दिखता है, उसका नेचर कैसा है, और anything that you want to describe the tiger. Yes, Saurabh.
1 second.
मैम
You have to draw the picture of a school.
मैड भी है
Mad है,
You have to draw a picture of a school.
पागल है कि एंग्री है?
But now do it later because we are
आपने तो एंग्री लिखा ही है
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. तो हम मैड नहीं डालते हैं.
हो गया है. अगर आप कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाए
ही इज डेंजरस एंड ही इज एंग्री. ठीक है.
later on. Okay, after the class.
यस अंकिता.
अब हम लोग करते हैं.
Didi, the tiger have big tail.
Okay, tiger has a big tail.
What is written?
Has a big tail. Okay, great. Yes, Ansh.
Chirag, unmute yourself.
Didi, tiger has sharp teeth.
Okay, he has very sharp teeth. Very
And
sharp.
he can run so fast.
And can run very fast. Very fast. ठीक है. So now we have characteristics of the tiger. Thank you, all of you. Great. So we will. So why are we discussing the characteristics of these characters? हम क्यों discuss कर रहे हैं ये सब? क्योंकि हम use करेंगे ये सब कुछ हमारी story में. ठीक है. अगर इनका कैरेक्टर ऐसा है तो हम ये कैरेक्टर के हिसाब से स्टोरी बनाएंगे कि अगर वो अजीब सा दिखता है तो जो डेंजरस टाइगर है वो देखकर क्या करेगा, जादू को वो डराएगा उसको और फिर उसको शार्प टीथ से काट सकता है. देन काटने के बाद वो भाग सकता है बहुत तेज, और क्योंकि उसकी बड़ी बड़ी आंखें हैं एलियन की तो वो उसको दूर का दिखता होगा, बहुत ज्यादा उसको दिखता होगा आसपास. All of that. That is why we are discussing the characteristics of the characters. Okay. Now you will tell me lion. Simba के क्या characteristics होंगे?
Yes.
Simba.
NMFC school number.
Simba के characteristics. Vineet, you want to say?
So next we move to the next sentence.
Simba is quiet.
Simba is quiet.
शांत है.
Okay. शांत है, ठीक है. Quiet and what else?
So is dash.
And someone killed him, then he killed.
Okay, so he is a tit for tat person. कि अगर मेरे साथ किसी ने गंदा किया तो मैं भी उसके साथ खराब करूंगा. Tit for tat animal. Okay. What else?
Samir and Yash. And Krishna.
He is angry and too dangerous.
Answer.
He's too dangerous also. Okay. But if he's shant, then he's not angry, no. शांत है तो फिर angry नहीं है. ठीक है. Can the lion run fast?
Yes.
Okay, lion can also run very fast. Also run fast. Great.
Lion teeth is too fast.
All right. Too sharp.
Too sharp.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, Sakshi, tell me.
ठीक है, तो समीर कह रहा है कलरफुल क्लासरूम. यश, आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं? Can also share.
Simba runs so fast and वो अपना पेट भरने के लिए क्वाइट से एनिमल को देखता है और फिर मौका आने पे उसे पकड़ता है.
Okay, so he hunts animals quietly. Thank you, Sakshi. Animals quietly. Okay, great. ठीक है.
Yes, yes.
Now let's describe Jaggu.
आप क्लासरूम्स को डिस्क्राइब
Monkey को कौन describe करेगा? Monkey is, how is the monkey?
डिस्क्राइब द क्लासरूम.
Jaggu.
यश, अनम्यूट करके
Yes, Gajendra.
दीदी वो ब्लू कलर का रहेगा.
क्लासरूम.
Monkey blue color का है?
रीड द क्वेश्चन.
नहीं, ब्राउन कलर का.
Okay, brown in color. ठीक है.
मस्कुलर.
Muscular monkey. Wow. Okay. Muscular मतलब very strong, has muscles. Okay. What else?
Friendly.
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 Okay. So the monkey is also very friendly. Then
दीदी वो खेलता भी है.
playful.
Naughty.
Playful and naughty. ठीक है.
और
Okay, very good.
and वो बहुत सारे जंप खाता है.
क्या खाता है?
जंप.
Jump.
और उसको बना और वो हर रोज अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ रहता है.
Okay. So he's friendly, na? So that's why he's with his friend, and he loves bananas. Okay, that's also very important. He loves bananas. ठीक है. Okay, so he is brown in color, is muscular, and is friendly. उसको friends बनाना पसंद है. He is also playful. उसको खेलना कूदना पसंद है. But he's also naughty, शरारती भी है, and loves bananas. Okay, great. And how is the hunter? How is Tony? How is Tony? Who's gonna tell me how is Tony? Kaustubh, you want to tell?
Saurabh is saying the classrooms are beautiful and it has many benches.
Didi, he have not a feelings.
He doesn't have feelings. Okay, Tony doesn't have feelings. Does
And
not-
angry also.
Okay. Feelings. He is angry always. Then
Yes.
He has a gun.
why does he have a girl? Hunter के पास girl क्यों है?
My school you are trying to say. Okay, thank you, Swara.
Oh, gun you mean? Okay. He has a gun.
There are lots of
Okay.
sentences that I have got from my
ठीक है.
children. दीदी ने कोई नहीं बताया. I have got the answers from you all. which
All
is very
right.
good.
Any other characteristic of
Let's move to the next
the
sentence.
hunter?
The teachers are
Yes,
very
Nafiza.
dash. You have to fill the blank. Okay.
Ma'am, Hunter is very strong.
He's also very strong. ठीक है. So Tony is very strong.
Riyansh,
Yes.
you can-
Is very strong. ठीक है. Okay. All right. So now we know
Prisha, do you want
the
to try?
characteristics of all our characters. ठीक है, तो अब हम इन्हें ये characteristics को use करेंगे in our story when we write. Okay, now quickly can someone tell me the plot of the story? Sorry, setting of the story.
Okay, so Prisha,
What had we decided? What was the setting of the story? And you will lower your Zoom hand. सारे बच्चे lower your Zoom hand.
Anyone else? Raise your hand. Okay, let's
Lower
check.
your Zoom hand.
Jigyansh wants to say yes. Jigyansh, unmute yourself.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, Sunny. Sunny wanted to say the setting of the story.
Unmute करके बताइए.
He had raised his
Teachers
hand.
are ready?
Where did he go?
Yes, try.
Sunny, tell me. What is the setting of the story, Sunny?
Okay, so Jigyansh is saying that the teachers are.
Shreyas, tell me the setting of the story.
Okay, thank you, Jigyansh. Now I want to.
Forest, jungle.
Do you want to
Okay.
say?
So everything story. So the story is taking place
Future are you? So
Taking
I've got the word
place
great, I've got the
in
word helpful
a
for teachers.
in a jungle.
Priyanshu,
Can you name the jungle? Can you name the jungle?
Amazon.
Amazon. Okay, in the Amazon forest. In the Amazon forest. You all have to note this down, okay? सबकी स्टोरी में डिटेल्स सेम होनी चाहिए, वरना कोई कुछ और नाम लिखेगा तो मैं समझ जाऊंगी कि उनका ध्यान क्लास में नहीं था. Amazon forest. ठीक है. So Sunny said that it is happening in the Amazon forest. In the jungle, in the Amazon forest. Great. So now we know the characters and their setting, where the story is taking place. What is the conflict? We had yesterday discussed the conflict also. Who can tell me what was the conflict decided? Hara bhara.
Very good.
Okay, a lot of you are typing on the chat. Sorry, I did not see. But now I will keep a note of the chat box too. Okay.
Yes. Very good.
Yes, till then you can tell me what is the conflict of our story. Problem kya hai story mein?
The mill is saying they teach us good manners. But then would you like to try?
Sumed was there yesterday, who was telling us the conflict very well. Where is Sumed?
But you try it.
Not here today. Krishna is not joined the audio only. Kya chal raha hai?
Okay, so Pradhan is saying they teach us values. Very good, Pradhan.
Okay.
Thank you for sharing.
Who will tell me the conflict very nicely?
Now, let's move to the next sentence.
Yes, Vineet, you can. Okay, Huzefa, sorry. Huzefa, try. Tony is killing animals.
Didi,
Yes.
Tony is killing animals and instead the lion and tiger come to kill Jadoo. That is the conflict of story.
Okay, so Bro and Simba try to kill Jadoo, but who saves them? Who saves Jadoo?
I love my school.
Jadoo saves monkey.
Monkey saves Jadoo.
Monkey saves Jadoo.
Children.
And then later, what happens with the monkey?
Monkey name is Jaggu.
So what
And
happens with Jaggu?
they the hunter wants going to kill animals.
Okay.
Jaggu.
Okay. So Tony wants to kill Jaggu.
Mummy.
Okay. All right. Very good, Josefa. Thank you. Shreyas, you also wanted to say?
Harvika, unmute and say.
No, दीदी जो मैं बोलने वाला था वो हुज़ैफा ने बोल दिया
Okay, great.
कि
So, tell.
मंकी ट्रबल में होता है तो मंकी के लिए तब वो फेस करते हैं कॉन्फ्लिक्ट और एलियन भी फेस करता है व्हेन ब्रो एंड सिम्बा अटैक ऑन एलियन
ठीक है. Okay, great. Thank you, Shreyas. So, a monkey falls in trouble when the monkey का नाम क्या है? जग्गू falls in trouble when Jadu, no, not Jadu, Tony sets a trap of bananas for the monkey and tries to capture him. And another conflict is when Simba and what is the tiger's name?
What will we do? We will read these 5 sentences. First, I will ask you,
Bro. Simba and Bro try to attack Jadu
of my school is NMMC
and try to kill him. That is also a conflict. So initially when Simba and Bro try to attack Jadu and try to kill him, तब वो conflict होता है कि oh no, now they are going to get killed by the animals, but monkey saves him, and then later monkey falls into trouble, Jaggu falls into trouble, and who saves him? Jadu saves him. So Jaggu falls into trouble and Jadu saves him from Tony. Now you have to tell me what is the theme of the story. That we can discuss later also, not a problem. But now I want you all to start writing the story. अब तुम खुद से beginning, middle, end सोचो कि beginning में क्या हुआ, middle में क्या हुआ और end में क्या हुआ, and start writing the story. Okay, yesterday we were discussing कि beginning में क्या होगा, बीच में क्या होगा, end में क्या होगा, and we know कि story कैसे जा रही है, कौन कब किससे मिल रहा है, किसके साथ क्या हो रहा है, and we know कि end में जग्गू is saved by Jadu. So you have to make this entire story. You can start now and write at least the beginning part, and tomorrow we will write the middle and end. Okay, so I'm giving this next 8 minutes to write down the beginning of the story, and you have to give all as many details as you can. Describe the setting first, that it is a jungle and there are so many people in the jungle, there are many animals in the jungle, and then you can name the characters. That there is one tiger called what is the tiger's name? I keep forgetting. Bro. And the lion whose name is Simba, and they are very good friends. All of that. So you have to describe everything. उनकी फ्रेंडशिप डिस्क्राइब करनी है, सेटिंग डिस्क्राइब करना है, कौन कौन है जंगल में. सो बिगिनिंग विल बी ऑल अबाउट डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द जंगल एंड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स. बिगिनिंग में हम क्या करेंगे? जंगल को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, अमेज़न फॉरेस्ट डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, कैरेक्टर्स को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, और कैरेक्टर्स के बीच की रिलेशनशिप कि कौन किसके साथ फ्रेंड है, कौन एंग्री है, कैसा है. ऑल ऑफ दैट यू विल डिस्कस इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द स्टोरी.
Trisha will read. Trisha, read the 4th sentence.
Yes, Krishna.
दीदी आपने जो पढ़ाया था ना, मैंने ना थोड़ा सा लेट ज्वाइन किया था.
Okay.
I got late.
Okay, no problem. You can watch this class again, and then
Okay,
you can see what you have missed.
Okay, दीदी. दीदी रिकॉर्डिंग भेजो.
Yes, yes, I will send.
Okay.
So we come back to the first sentence.
So now this time is for all of you to start writing the beginning part of the story, and I want you Huzefa, I can see the food on your table. मुझे आपका चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा है, खाना दिख रहा है मुझे. So you can either face the camera to yourself or switch off the camera.
Try. Unmute करिए. दीदी के साथ पढ़िएगा.
Okay. And you will now start writing. This is the time for you all to write. Okay. And then after the class ends, how much ever you have written, send me the photo of it. जो कुछ भी आपने लिखा है उसका फोटो मुझे भेजो. स्टोरी अभी खत्म करने की कोशिश मत करो. अभी जितना आप डिस्क्राइब करके बिगिनिंग पार्ट लिख सकते हो उतना लिखो. How much ever you can describe the beginning, please describe it very nicely and write down. Yes, I'm on mute, Savanji, because I'm not saying anything. And yes, I will send the recording on our group only, so you can watch it again. Yes, Ayush?
Okay, so I'm moving to Chirag. Chirag, unmute. उसके बाद यास्मीन पढ़ेगी. Chirag, read the
Yes, Ayush, tell.
sentence.
स्क्रीन दिख रहे हैं.
तो स्क्रीन क्या देखना है आपको?
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट.
Thank you, Chirag.
Huh?
Yasmin, read the third sentence.
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट.
Yasmin, read
क्या
the
देखना है?
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट.
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट वाला पार्ट देखना है. ओके ओके
Runji,
ओके, देयर यू
the
गो.
fourth
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट.
sentence. Runji.
You all will write. I want to see all of you writing the beginning part.
They teach.
This is the time for you all to write down. हमने कितना सारा डिस्कशन किया है पिछले 3 दिन से. Now you have to start writing. Yes, Krishna.
Very good, Runji. Thank you. Meet yourself.
दीदी
Now I-
इनकी स्पेलिंग बताओ ना.
Read the fifth sentence.
किसकी?
एलियन.
Alien.
खुद से पढ़ने की कोशिश करिए.
Alien. First word.
I love my school.
The second screen.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, next I want Shaurya to read. Shaurya, read the first sentence. And then Pradnil. Is को आपने खा लिया?
मैम.
Yes, Saurabh, tell.
मैम आप फोटो दिखाओ ना.
किसका फोटो दिखाऊं?
फोटो.
इसका.
Pradnil. The third sentence.
What is he saying? Plot.
Yes.
Yansh,
Plot
read
of the
third
story.
sentence,
Okay.
Yansh.
Let me write the plot of the story here.
Come on, Jigyansh.
Ploto नहीं, plot.
Children, if you take too much of time in unmuting, I will give the chance to the other child. ठीक है? जब दीदी आपका नाम ले रही है and you are getting a chance to read, you have to quickly unmute. अगर आप unmute करने में 5 minutes ले लेंगे, then your chance will be missed and I give the chance to the other child. Okay, so now I give the chance to Riyanshi. Riyanshi, unmute yourself. Read the third sentence. Uh, 1 second, Riyanshi, मैम आप इसको खुद पढ़ने दीजिए. इफ शी इज नॉट एबल टू रीड आई विल हेल्प. लेट हर रीड हरसेल्फ. उसको खुद से पढ़ने दीजिए. अगर वो नहीं पढ़ पाएगी आई विल हेल्प हर.
Friendship. Yeah.
हमारी क्लास में खत्म हुई क्या?
Forest. Forest. दीदी ऊपर का दिखाना, ऊपर का आपने नीचे दिया प्लॉट. हाँ. Forest.
The class will end any time now, so you can take a screenshot quickly and don't send the screenshots on the group. Keep it with yourself. ग्रुप पर स्क्रीनशॉट भेजने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप अपने पास रखो स्क्रीनशॉट्स को.